I felt the world stop turning. I felt the waves come crashing down. I found you.
Jordana, ang message ko para sa'yo is maging mabuti kang bata at matuto ka sanang sumunod sa amin ng mami mo. Lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at lagi namin papaalala sa'yo palagi na love ka namin.
I'll go anywhere you go tonight, 'cause
Jordana, ang wish lang ni Mami sa'yo is lumaki kang healthy, unang-una, may takot sa Diyos. At sana lahat ng magiging pangarap mo matupad mo soon. Nandito lang kami. Lagi ni Daddy mo nakasupport.
Welcome to Duday's birthday party!
Who knew we could fly so high? We can go anywhere now. Everything it feels so right.
Jordana, thank you kasi unang-una binago mo yung buhay namin ng mami mo. Thank you kasi binigyan mo kami ng pangalawang pagkakataon para mas maging better person kami ng mami mo, at the same time maging better parent para sa'yo. Tsaka mas lalo ko naiintindihan yung pagiging isang magulang.
Happy birthday, Duday!
Feel that good life taking hold. Up and away we go. Soaked in sunshine, bright like gold. Up and away we go.
Anak, thank you kasi sobrang laki ng naging pagbabago ni Mami, ni Daddy. Sobrang saya simula nung dumating ka. Nung dumating ka, nabago mo lahat yon, binigyan mo ng dahilan si Mami para tumuloy sa araw-araw.
'Cause it's our time, we're gonna live it right. Feels like we're getting close.
Happy birthday, Duday! Mahal na mahal ka namin!
Feel that good life taking hold. Up and away we go. Soaked in sunshine, bright like gold. Up and away we go. 'Cause it's our time, we gotta live it right.